Hi everyone and welcome along to Sonic Academy with me, Chris and Philip. There you go. Today we're continuing on with the Get That Sound, and we've one in from Mattis123 on the forums, and he was looking for this Alesia Andrea track, and he says, getting into this sort of sound lately, I have no idea how to describe it. If anyone knows the official term, it'd be great as well.
It's officially called ravey techno.
Is it ravey techno?
Yeah.
And the sound I'm going for is the lead at 101.
Ravey techno. If you go to your local record shop, just say, Phil says, can I have all your ravey techno, please?
And this is the sort of thing you'll get.
This
And this is obviously on Skrillex's label.
is it? Okay, so we haven't bothered too much with the drums, but we've got a drum lip of sorts in there. And we are going to obviously use A.N.A. And A.N.A's actually perfectly designed for this type of sound. So you can hear in the, I'll go back to this and play it and talk through it a wee bit. You can hear there's like it's some sort of vocally thing. And a bit of saw action happening sort of in below. And there's almost maybe a bass associated with it as well.
Okay.
So the bass might be separate, but we'll try and do it all in the one preset. So the cool thing about A.N.A is that you have the chord hold mode. So the vocals in that are definitely chordy, definitely stabby. It's probably a sample, but we'll show you how to create it using the synth. So we'll just learn a chord. We're going to learn C minor. No, we're not, because we haven't armed our track. We're going to learn C minor. Take learn off. Let's learn a different chord. I don't know why it does that. I'll try this again. Learn. That's better.
Yes.
Sometimes it gets confused. So we've got our chord, and we want to create the main sound, which is going to be like a choiry thing. So we need grain voice or one of the. So it's like a dark techno-y, grainy. And we'll add in the saw just to make grain voices a wee bit wonky, and it might not always be in shape. That sounds about right there. And we could even add more grainy voices in.
On oscillator 5, is it?
Maybe that's closer. So we'll turn that down. We'll go to grain voice 2. Sound. Let's try 3 and see. Yes, that's nicer there actually. And then we'll bring a bit of grain voice 1 back in. And we'll turn this one up as well. So that's kind of the choiry part. Let's have a listen. You need to make it stabby as well. I'll maybe take out this one and try cheap choir. It's a bit more organy.
Yeah.
And then we'll do a saw in the back as well. Get it nice and super sawy.
So loads of voices, deep tunes.
And then we can add a saw for the bottom. Now, the saw for the bottom, we actually just want on a single note. So what we can do is on oscillator 2, we can mute the chord.
That's very cool.
So let's get a rough sort of pattern in. going to fire anything in here pretty much. So we'll use these two. I'm just going to draw in a bunch of notes. Why is that happened there? Pen tool.
Just shorten them a little, is it? Yeah.
I think they might be up higher. That sounds sort of like it. And then we'll just mess around with
It's just a wee inflection, isn't there?
And you can even extend some of these so they sort of slide. This is almost like, I'll put it on legato mode. Why won't I put it on legato mode? Let me for some reason. I can't put legato mode on because we're in chord. And we could then just maybe even change the attack. I think that's...
Yeah, it's very cool. Let's hear where the drums in. And would you sidechain that or anything?
Yeah. Sidechain everything. Maybe you could add a bit of delay in there. You can obviously play about with different chords, different sounds. There's a whole bunch of
sort of voicey type things.
waveforms in there. Yeah, you could use some. And then, of course, at any stage, you could try a different chord, make it a happy hardcore tune.
Oh dear, there you go. Totally ruined at the end. Phil, thank you very much for taking us through that. That's a quick overview of what was it called? Alesia, Andrea, and that's for Mattis123 in the forums. Guys, if you want to get us to look at a sound that you're struggling with, just head on over to the forums at sonicacademy.com and go to the Get That Sound section and post there and embed YouTube.
Embed your YouTube link.
Please embed your YouTube.
Or at least create a clickable link.
Yeah. That would be good. Guys, see you all very, very soon. Thanks everybody for watching, commenting and indeed liking. We really do appreciate all the support we get here on our Sonic Academy YouTube channel. So if you found this video super useful, please, we'd love you to hit the subscribe button. We update the YouTube channel every week with new content. And if you want to watch some more relevant content, just click on the videos beside me.